from? Yeah.
Record video.
You from?
Malaysia.
Huh?
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Nah. Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Indonesia?
Indonesia.
Oh, Indonesia. Pergi.
Indonesia baru
Bagus.
Dan di sini guys ya, saya ada dapat satu video ya yang direkomendasikan oleh Bang Jawara Mukti ya. Sini ada seorang bule, ini ceritanya bule Aussie Australia yang cerita bahwa dia mempunyai seorang teman asal Malaysia dan dapat perlakuan yang buruk di Korea Selatan. Kita tonton dulu guys ya. Nanti setelah kita tonton baru kita sama-sama berkomentar ya. Oke, langsung kita tonton videonya.
Korea Selatan adalah sebuah negara yang sering menjadi kegilaan anak-anak muda di Malaysia kerana ia menawarkan hiburan yang luar biasa serta tempat-tempat yang menarik. Namun begitu, baru-baru ini seorang wanita yang berasal dari Australia mendedahkan tentang bagaimana rakyat Korea Selatan memberikan layanan yang berbeza terhadap seseorang hanya kerana warna kulit, bangsa dan rupa paras. Dalam video yang dikongsikan, dia menceritakan pengalamannya bekerja di sebuah restoran di Korea Selatan dan mendapat layanan yang sangat baik daripada warga tempatan. Dia yang tidak tahu berbahasa Korea bagaimanapun terkejut apabila rakan karibnya yang datang dari Malaysia diberikan layanan yang buruk walaupun mahir bertutur dalam bahasa Korea. Menurutnya bukan itu saja, malah wanita Malaysia itu juga dilayan teruk seperti dimarahi dengan kata kesat dan dibalik tuala kecil sepanjang bekerja di restoran terbabit. Dia meluahkan rasa kecewa terhadap segelintir warga Korea Selatan yang mempunyai sifat xenofobia yang bermaksud memiliki perasaan takut dan benci terhadap orang asing atau tidak dikenali. Menjengah di ruangan komen,
ya,
selain terkejut dengan
kata-kata
fenomena itu,
di video ini ya,
Maya yang berkongsi pengalaman
memang agak sulit, tapi pelan-pelan menyimak.
Ketika berada di sana, bahkan sampai ada yang memperlekehkan negara tertentu.
Komentarnya itu rasis banget komentarnya tadi itu.
I used to work in a restaurant in South Korea and I was a waitress, and my coworker at that time was Malaysian. Now at this time I did not know that xenophobia was a thing in South Korea. It became apparent very, very quickly that something was not right with the way that she was being treated, and it was very apparent that it was different to how I was being treated. Her Korean skill was incredibly high. She had been in Korea for a couple of years studying Korean at university. As soon as people found out that she was Malaysian, they instantly had a problem with her. They would just flat out refuse to speak to her. They would call me over. I couldn't speak like a word of Korean. I knew probably 3 words of Korean, and then she would stand there like translating things to me that they were saying, and then I would say something and then she would translate because they did not want to speak to her. There was one particular time where we were in a taxi going home together after work, and the taxi driver, he was quite old. After he found out what country we were from and he found out that she was Malaysian, same thing, completely refused to speak to her, was only asking me questions, and again she was translating, and it was just really, really disgusting to see the way that people's attitudes changed towards her as soon as they found out that she was Malaysian. The whole restaurant was just really fucked up. She had tea towels thrown at her. She was sworn at, by the way, for doing nothing. If anything, I stuffed up more than her, but I was treated differently because I was white. There's definitely an attitude that I would say is more prevalent within older Koreans. I don't really find many younger Koreans who have this kind of backwards thinking. But if it somehow comes up, you accidentally compare a Korean to being Chinese or Malaysian or Taiwanese or Filipino, that is going to be taken as an insult. Why is that? Because xenophobia is rampant in South Korea. It's really, really disgusting when you see it firsthand, and especially she was my best friend at that time, and it was wild the way that she was treated.
Ya kan, kalau kita lihat ya, Malaysia ini kan merasa diri paling hebat, paling wow ya, tetapi sebenarnya kan mereka ini di mata negara-negara lain ya mungkin tidak dianggap lah ya. Contohnya saja kan mereka lo masih ikut-ikutan tuh jaga di mana itu, di kerajaan Inggris sana, ya kan. Coba kita lihat tuh video-videonya. Saya pernah lihat tuh ada orang-orang Malaysia dikirim ke istananya Inggris sana untuk ikut menjaga, ikut berbaris, ya kan, saat ulang tahun ratu. Mereka ada itu pakaian apa, ya kan, khasnya mereka, ya, ikut apa namanya, ikut merayakan ratunya, ya kan, rajanya. Kalau bagi kita orang Indonesia kan sangat-sangat nggak masuk akal ya kalau bagi kita. Kalau menurut teman-teman seperti apa ini? Kasih komentar ya. Dan terima kasih sudah menonton. Sampai ketemu lagi di video-video selanjutnya. Tetap semangat, salam sukses buat kita semua.